Katana tourism ha ka pratrik nailar klapentik na bakaslong roadway project kan kta satya ya kitulong lani ya kamaryang hadin ka jingjurip lang ya ka project bat katana PHE forest Shillong municipal bond bat karat laban dorbar pelun ka joint secretary bakmi ya katana tourism ka kong RM kurba kala ong baya ka jingsong kya ha ka baya day bat ka day ka bala deban kami benya bat ban Katulong kadon kam shalor panlen shalau sotun shalendet jong school Nepali. Kani kajaka kabadon kumba praspa mitar kamdan satya yakitulong kalaong. Ka detailed project report DPR kabaningkong kala terwa bu iki kabel ha ka jingjrong kaba arpesan mitar kaba mud bahap an pom yaki babun kiding hendre ya kani ka jingtmu lapen kalano. Ngilakin tu ban kampun jerong no ya usainar kabel bat ka tawar bat ka DPR bat mai kala kentiu ya ka jingjrong syaka sapo mitar kalaong katkum katanan kalaong baka jingpo miki ding kan long tang hakin riut liki tower station ba khat ar into khat ar mitar kawai nila pom tang san spa sop south liki ding hagi jaka ban penyang ya ki tawar baru ki bahap apo ka jaka jong ka forest katkum ki kendon ila thong bujli hadu san hajar sapu south liki ding haka jaka sarkar ong ka kong kurba kani ka project kan kta satya ki terlong ne ya kamaryang haka jing shisha kan pen itna shushu ya kani ka jaka kadi ka project ka bakong san shibun na kabenta ka jela kala ong haba ka daw nuksa ya ki roadway hagi jaka sor ka sikim halor ka jing so kya ka baya day ber ki jing twa khndo kala ong bakatanat forest kan sa schnappen skem bha kan sa thongru ya ki diang ni karpat iki brio bakin 1 mi na kabenta ki no ki jing pen shai ada ka kta ya phi ne ya no in ai ka jing pen shai kala ong ukli ka KEC TCL project UJP Singh ula penthik na baka company kan burenti halor ki kindon ki baya day bat kamaryang.
So basically the concern was regarding the water source. So we have clarified here from actually this area here is the catchment area of Shillong Municipal Board. But in this area that it's not affected. They've mentioned here that there's no source of water here. Whatever source of water is a little bit ahead towards Laos and a little bit that down there beyond the Nepali school. So it's a little bit far. Nothing to do with this stretch of 800 plus meter. There's no water water source in this entire stretch. Exactly. That's what I'm saying because it's taken us 10 months. We've lost time, 10 months of the project. That is because there's a lot of the DPR. Initially the DPR which was given to us, there was a lot of observation made by the department. Number one was the height of the tree. The tree at that point of time, presently also it's about 25 meters max, and the cable was also on the same height. So that would mean we have to cut the entire channel of trees. So that did not vibe with the department. We say that cannot happen. We need to request the people who made the DPR to raise the level of the cable, and raise the level of the tower. So that has come. We have come to term with that. We have a fresh DPR, and it is about 40 meters height clearance. So it's like you can, if you sit here, then you can still see that the trees are there, and we're not touching any of the trees. The trees that we have touched is for the 6 stations. 6 stations of 12 by 12 meter that we need for the safety, and you can understand it's such a big project. We cannot have smaller tower, things like that. For the safety of the visitors, we need to ensure their security too. So it's like only 6 towers. So wherever these towers are there, that is where we have cut these 544. And wherever we've cut within the forest land. And where you see right now, you see this area here. This used to be our nursery. From social forestry, this used to be the nursery. So not much tree has been cut here in this area, even though it looks like this. The trees that were cut was in the channel, because this is the first station where you can see that blue pipe over there. Just below that will be one station, and above that another station, because we need to strengthen this starting point of the project. So we are building these two towers here, and the rest of the tower is at intervals. So that is where everyone's making a hue and cry about the trees. But as I said, the trees 544 we have planted, 544 plus 9, 10. Okay, 1 is to 10. So we planted these tree in a different location where the government has purchased the land. And that has been done. So what we offer the right Laban is that, in case if they have land, we can give more trees for plantation. It's not that we cannot do that. We can do anything, but the thing is that we request them, this project is not affecting neither the water, neither the environment. In fact, it will add on to the beautification of this place. This is a very important project for the state, for our people. Therefore, we go right up to Gulmarg, we go to Sikkim. Sikkim has a very short distance within town, within the city. It's hardly half kilometer, the ropeway. People still go there for that experience. So why not have this experience within our own state, right? So without disturbing the environment. So this is what we are appealing to everybody, that to please understand. And if you want any clarification, come to the department. We'll give you the clarification. If it's affecting you at any point of time, kindly come to the department. We'll have a talk. The landslide, my engineer has already explained to you. We'll do the restoration and things like that, protection of the slope protection, they call it. So that is being taken care of. And also from the forest department just now, they mentioned that we cannot grow big trees like this in and around that area where we have cut. So beyond the 12 by 12 base, there will be some kind of greenery, but that will be, it should be viable, and that will be done by the forest department.
International level experience by riding the ropeway. Challenges for any ropeway, the main challenge remains the transportation of construction material to the location and construction over there, and also to protect the environment in the largest interest of the local people and the environment as a whole. So being a responsible company, we are taking care that we are meeting all the environmental norms, and we will ensure that nothing happens against the environment and the ecology of the local areas.